They eat long yams in China to symbolize long life.
In China, there are roughly 1 billion people that live there.
You should eat persimmons when they're super soft, or else they're not ripe and they'll be gross.
Persimmons grow in China.
The lunar calendar is used in China.
Is the year of the dog in 2018, which it is 2018 this year.
Okay, so the Chinese New Year is on a different day every year because the lunar calendar is a mix of the lunar and solar calendars, and the solar calendar is 2 months behind, or 2 months ahead. So
that's very long.
That's why, and they have to add in an extra month every single year to make it equal.
Oh my goodness. Okay, pandas live in China. That's alright. It's
okay,
done.
so that's a tie.